Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make round tiramisu. Prepare a 9-inch round springform or mousse ring, brew strong espresso and chill mascarpone. Separate eggs and whisk yolks with sugar until pale and thick, then fold in mascarpone. Whip egg whites until soft peaks and gently fold into the cream. Dip ladyfingers briefly and layer. Chill at least 4 hours before dusting cocoa and serving chilled. Gather ingredients before you start to streamline assembly and prevent overmixing. Use high-quality mascarpone for creaminess, fresh eggs for structure, and a bold espresso for flavor. Keep espresso cooled so it does not melt the cream when assembling. Use a simple syrup or a splash of liquor if desired, but do not oversaturate ladyfingers to avoid a soggy center. Assemble quickly and chill thoroughly for best texture. Work efficiently when assembling to preserve texture and temperature of the cream. Dip ladyfingers briefly, arrange them snugly in the ring, then add a smooth layer of mascarpone cream. Repeat layers to the top, finishing with a thin cream layer to help cocoa adhere. Cover tightly and chill for at least 4 hours or overnight to let flavors meld and set. Unmold carefully and serve chilled for clean slices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.